Today's reading goal is to be able to explain the different compromises made at the Constitutional Convention. Section 6. Issue: How should slaves be counted? The Great Compromise kept the framers working together, but having agreed to base representation in one house of Congress on state population, they faced a new and difficult question. As Governor Morris of Pennsylvania put it, upon what principle shall slaves be computed in the representation? People or property? By the time of the convention, 9/10 of the slaves in the United States lived in the South. Like everyone else, Southerners wanted as many representatives in the House as possible, so they argued that slaves should be counted the same as any other people in determining representation. Delegates from the North challenged this idea. Were slaves to be considered people with a right to be represented in Congress, or were they property? Blacks are property and are used to the southward, as horses and cattle to the northward, argued Elbridge Gerry of Massachusetts. Most Northern delegates agreed that slaves should be counted only as property that could be taxed like any other property. If slaves were to be counted as people in determining representation in Congress, said Morris, then make them citizens and let them vote. New thinking on slavery. This argument signaled a growing division among white Americans. The Declaration of Independence and the American Revolution forced many whites to re-examine their views on slavery, and some became active in trying to end what they now saw as a great evil. Benjamin Franklin, for example, became president of an anti-slavery society in 1787. In the North, this new thinking led one state after another to pass laws ending slavery. Although many Southerners were uneasy about slavery, they were not yet ready to abolish it. The South's economy was still very dependent on the labor of enslaved African Americans. But some Southern states did pass laws making it easier for owners to free their slaves.